Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 231, power of 2. We're told that we're given an integer n, and we need to return true if it's a power of 2, otherwise return false. We're told an integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n equals 2 to the power of x. So in this example, 1 is a power of 2 because 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Same for 16, and 3 is not a power of 2, so we return false. Okay, so how can we solve this problem? Well, we can use an iterative approach, and what we can do is basically use a loop to accumulate, to basically multiply our number by 2 each time until we either get to n or our number is larger than n, in which case we return true or false. So let's hop straight into the code. We'll set our variable, which will hold the accumulated product, to 1. We'll say while accumulated is less than or equal to n. If our accumulated value equals n, well, we know that the number is a power of 2, so we can return true. Otherwise, otherwise we can just keep multiplying it. So we can say multiply accumulated by 2. And if we basically finish our while loop without returning true, it means our accumulated value is larger than n without returning true, in which case we can just return false. So let's run our code. Okay, we pass the sample test cases. Let's make sure we pass all the test cases in the suite. And we pass all test cases for this problem with a very optimal solution. So in terms of time complexity, because of the exponential nature of this problem, or of this problem and solution, we're looking at O log n time complexity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.